Plant-based diet is actually complete on its own. Plant-based diet has all the essential amino acids present. When it comes to calcium, milk is the only source of calcium. But let me tell you, there are better sources of calcium than milk. That's a misconception. So that's what I want to talk about is plant-based diet is actually complete on its own. A plant-based diet is made of grains, legumes, fruits and vegetables. A variety of plant-based diet is complete on its own. You don't need to worry about calorie counting. You don't need to worry about complementing your proteins. It is a complete nutrition providing all the essential nutrients, all the essential minerals, all the essential vitamins, except for vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is the only supplement that we recommend to people who are choosing a plant-based lifestyle, because vitamin B12, number one, is essential for healthy nerves, and vitamin B12, even those who are eating meat, after a certain age, you still need vitamin B12. And the requirement is like pretty good, like 2.4 micrograms is a recommended daily allowance per day. And then you can either do it once a week or you can do it every day, because there are so many multivitamins supplements available in the market that you can take. So that's the only recommendation. Otherwise, plant-based diet, if it comes to carbohydrates, yes, they have enough. If it comes to calcium, yes, they have enough. If it comes to zinc, yes, they have enough. If it comes to protein, yes, they have enough. And as I told you, that a plant-based diet has all the essential amino acids present, because there are 20 amino acids, and there are certain amino acids that you need from your food, and plant-based diet has all of them. So there is no counting, nothing. No, you don't need to complement with anything. It's there. Another reason why you want a plant-based diet, because number one is it has zero cholesterol. There is no cholesterol in plant-based diet. Plant-based diet is abundant in fiber. Fiber you can only found in fruits like legumes, grains and vegetables. When it comes to minerals, yes, they have plenty. So what do you need? The important thing is, I would say here, is people think that when it comes to calcium, milk is the only source of calcium. But let me tell you, there are better sources of calcium than milk. For example, there is more absorbable calcium in plant products as compared to milk. So you'll be surprised that the milk has calcium, but only 1/3 of it is absorbable. While if you consider okra, 62% of calcium in okra is absorbable, more than what is absorbable than milk. So bhindi is our go-to food when it comes to calcium.